Carlos?
No, not yet. This is coming back.
Oh, this is coming back.
Duty free
From
car.
US to Canada.
That's tollway daw. Tollway.
Duty free's over there on the right.
Yeah. This one is the tollway.
This
Okay.
is coming to Canada. This is Canada,
okay.
Canada Customs right here.
Okay.
Canada ni siyang aside.
Oo.
Pag ikan ka sa gawa, sulod ka diri.
Oo. Wagi sila dito, customs. So, kato mga cars, gikan pa to US to.
Oh.
Yeah, Queenston, Lewiston Bridge. That's what this one is.
Oh, na siya nga border here.
Mm.
Winston, Lewiston.
Kita, we're heading to,
Sa Niagara on the Falls.
so, warag pinaka-tumoy
Niagara
na.
on the lake. Lake Taling.
Lake. Nga, ang atbang ana, US na pod.
US na sa Pilipinas.
Parang floral clock, oh.
Ay, scenic road.
Mm.
Makita nimo ang scenic route.
Yeah, remember na ako nakita ko sa picture to ni mama to. Yung clock, floral clock.
It starts
Okay.
right where that flag is.
You can see
Okay.
there's the tree.
Okay.
Yan, nakita na ko, te. Pero, oh. So, that's the boundary.
That's the boundary right there between both flags.
Muna, guys. Strong boundary, guys, oh.
There's the US.
But I remember where was that path when the bikers go and then the lake.
That's enough.
So, sa matod pa ni ate, 1812, there is a big war happening here between the British and the Americans. Nag-ilog sila ani lugar rin.
Hindi man ang American.
Hindi ang Americans, wa nila nakuha ang Niagara.
Wala.
Dito ra sila sa Bukno.
But this is really nice, because you can picnic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like a picnic table where we try to fish too, right? But I know did we fish? But the boys were with us, remember?
We go ride to fun.
You remember him?
Ano te?
The picture?
Oh, kita ko ata sa picture dara, oh, floral clock. Kita ko na kay Manu may rapod.
You always come here, visitors come.
Hello guys, padulong mi sa floral clock. One of the most visited place there is sa Ontario. Usually pag may mga bagong abot, tourists, dalhon nila dire. Yeah.
0.5.
Ha?
0.5.
0.5. It's the clock. Ay, nami dali sa botanical clock. Flower clock. So, right now, it's still under,
C'est l'heure, je te dis.
binibiyuhan.
Okay, ito na isa.
Yeah, it is. We're just planting.
Oh, yeah. New ones.
So these are
Amazing.
Even ni Carlo, walang clock daw. He's been here for 40 years ago. So it's been here already. And there's some letters over there. I don't know what that is. Ian and Carlos and Ate.
I'm gonna pee. Okay. Ian, go to washroom.
So let's go guys. Ito sa likod. Kung saan na sa likod. So naay tour bus para sa mga tourist. So muna ang garden is likod guys. It's for the tourist Trinco bus. Oh, there's a room. Okay. so there's machine, adyo ay machine. So na office sulod. So mo ni siyang palibot, guys. Mo ni siyang palibot. May banog. Hovering around. Bramini. So mo ni siya, guys. Mo ni siyang palibot diri, guys. Puro lang din siya garden. So one of the tourist spots here sa Niagara Falls ng Clark. So let's see yung nakabutang diri. So basahon na lang ako na unya. 1917 True hydroelectric mega project. Oh, okay. That's good. Nasa iyan dito. Nasa iyan dito. Still here at Niagara Falls.
This is for hydro. They bring up the hydro from down there.
Yeah.
Into the city.
Electricity ba?
Hydro plant.
Electricity.
So it's live.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it works.
So live wire. It's dangerous.
High voltage. Very high voltage.
So
there's the United States right there. You'll see the cars. That's the.
It's already
US.
United States.
Yes.
So where's the bridge?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
See the trucks coming?
Yeah.
Look.
Ooh.
Come over here more.
Whoa.
Over here more. So the falls, that's what they made the hydro.
The hydro.
They collect it and then they bring it. But Niagara Falls is there. The water comes down and it keeps going.
It's very tempting for whitewater rafting,
Yeah,
Carlos.
They do.
They do?
Yeah, they do here.
Warning, workers below.
Yeah.
Oh, tara, they're coming. to
Okay, there. So the Canadian flag and the American flag, that's the middle.
Yeah. That's the border
Yeah, you
between the Canada and American flag.
Zoom in.
Yeah. Oh, kita mo na. Oh, kita mo na, guys. So flag na. The US and the Canada.
And then right there you can see, when you see the vehicles, that's on the American side.
Okay. Muna guys, ang tulay, urog pa. Urog jud kayo. Ay naga-zoom. So, sa tabok na guys, that's the American United States already.
So this is the first bridge that you come to go across. And then the second bridge is down towards Niagara Falls.
Okay. And they are the Canadian side. Dito sa atbang is America to na side. Nag-collect po sila og kuryente. Here sa Canada side, nag-collect po sila kuryente. So, morning gitawag ni Carlos na gorge. The gorge. So it's good. It's good for whitewater rafting daw. Naga-whitewater rafting po daw diri. So, nindot yung kayo guys, oh. So, down below na yung mga workers dito nagtrabaho, guys. So, mauna na siyang bridge na pirmi na ito makita, no? Itong niagi pang mga adlaw. Ito na siya. The gorge. Ito, oh, American side. So, mauna, nagikuha nilang kurente din, ha? Kana na yung mga box di, ha? Saka nila dire. Power line. And distribute dito sa mga tao. Carlos, the Americans also are collecting electric.
Hydro.
Yeah, hydroelectric.
That's their side. That's the hydro, the American side hydro.
Yeah.
Right there. Because the water is moving, so it moves the generator, right?
Yeah.
The turbine.
It's good that the US and Canada shared this gift.
Well, you can tell the line is in the middle. So the middle of the gorge is ours. Like half this side, half that.
Mo na, dero. Ontario Power Generation. Okay na. Mura nagsato ate sa Maria Cristina. Oh. hydroelectric plant sa Manila, Ontario. Whew. This is the maple leaf, guys. The maple tree. Awa. It's the maple. Canada. Hey, that allergy. They're now crossing. Okay. Saan na sa Botanical Garden. Niagara. Niagara
Abot ang mga tourist bus to.
Kuha sa bus eh. Isa rin sulod.
You gotta pay for parking. $8, I think.
We go buses only. Welcome to Ontario's Niagara.
$8 per hour. Maybe more than an hour?
No.
Chick-fil-A.
Nami, there is a Niagara Botanical Garden. No? So now there is a parking area. And may tour bus. Niagi. We go. Guyud. Mong nang BRT unta na plano sa Davao ni bus. Ambot, madayon baka ito yung anak na bus. Naot unta madayon. So, nabit sila Carlos. Yan. Melody nagbayad. Money, guys. It's good. Okay, first it's the Garden Cafe. Good marketing strategy. What's this for? Is it a monument?
Yes. Artwork.
Artwork? It's like more butang nagsin sa ato ate. Here's the map of the Botanical Garden. Picture na to. Okay, Garden Cafe. Yeah.
So this is Russian
sage.
Right? We have some of this at our house in the front.
Chopper. It's the Butterfly Conservatory. Ate. Kapoy na. Niagara Parks Butterfly Conservatory. Rose Garden.
This is called dogwood. Dogwood.
Maybe it's dogwood because it's favorite place of the dog to pee.
Yeah.
So, here I am. Kami there is a butterfly conservatory, no? So, muna siya, para makita ninyo. That one. Mauna na siyang butterfly conservatory. So, dako kayong loan there eh. Hindi kayo mag-kaulakaw. Chives?
You can cook with that, right? Yeah.
Chives?
Well, they're mostly a garnish.
Here it is, guys. Pasulod na may. Oh. So we have to
sa mani, ikaw lang ka nakasunod naman.
Yes, we have to go. Look at these butterflies.
Says I'm in US.
Huh?
Says I'm in US.
Yeah. Look at this guy. Nasa sulod na sa butterfly sanctuary. Kami lang doon ni Ian. Bundok tayo, guys. Ooh. You know yan, we have a lot of these in the Philippines. That one. We have a lot of that. Please watch your steps. Grabe. Nice kayo. Kasi gani ni nami anis balay. Kung kay mama, ihatag ni nang nena na tanom. Forgot the name. Hindi, butterfly guys. It's a butterfly sanctuary today. Look at that. Butterfly. Yeah, me too. I like the blue one. I'm waiting for the blue one to land. You guys. Ooh. Where are we going? Here? Here. Let's go here first. Down. Ooh. Ay, mga moss.
Step back.
Malay po yan.
Oh, one's on your shoulder, buddy.
Where?
Oo. Saan kayo? Different kind of butterfly. Ah. It flew away. That's the exit. Come on. We're not going. Okay. Coins are toxic to the fish. Butterflies feeding, do not disturb. Okay. Ano yung butterflies guys? Sabi ni mo, ano lang yan. Agapon na sila, nag-blend lang sila. Camouflage. May orange. Sayang na blue. Dala blue. Dili na. Itong naka-blue na butterfly. There it goes. I think this is the blue one. Right? Ano siya ba? Pag mulupad, blue. Dala itong mga blue butterflies. Oh. Wala na. It's in her back.
gosh, I think I got another one on there.
It's in your
Oh my
back.
God,
Two of them.
Oh, you have wings. Oh my God.
I think that's the blue one.
Oh, it flew off.
There we are. Let's stay here. They will land. Come on, butterflies. Ooh, the blue one. Yes.
And I can't believe that you have all these colors on this side of the thing, but then there's shiny blue on the inside. Like, how random is that? Yeah, you're right.
Mm.
I love that. This is probably the first time I've seen the arm over there, right?
Yun may landingan og butterfly ba na blue. So here, dala na yung butterfly na blue. Yun pangitag blue na butterfly. Pangita, naman di sa kulikod ang blue na butterfly. Look at that. Dito. Ang sara, ang blue. Ang tapok, oh. Ang tapok dito. Ang tapok. Si Ian is naghahunt of butterflies na mag-land sa iya. He's waiting for a butterfly. Mitsu, focus, and waiting the butterfly. So, ang gimulan sa mga na butterfly ay ginaglan sa mga. This is it, guys. This is the blue ones. Pag maglupad na ni sila, they are colorful. Kaon sila sa oranges and talong. Ay, waterfalls. Did you record it? Yeah, I recorded. Because I didn't get a picture. Yeah. You won't let me touch. Hey guys, ito sila guys.
I was going to take a picture for you.
Wow!
I didn't get it.
Yeah, I didn't get it too. Oh. Ayaw. Oh! Look at that. Ian shaking. Oh my god. Yeah. He just landed on my hand. Yeah. That's nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's nice. Okay, look at Ian. Butterfly landed on him. That's nice. Oh, the blue.
Yeah, they really are. The color is so spectacular.
There's a really pretty park outside. You want to go walk in it? There's butterflies outside.
Ate and Carlos are waiting here.
I like this.
Niagara tumbler. I hope I can get that in the thrift mart. It's much cheaper, I think. Butterfly stickers. Souvenir shop. That's it. It's almost 40, 39.95. It's almost 40. Expensive. Muna yung mong ginatanaw ng mga butterflies dito. Diopsis jubenta. I'm waiting for the blue and white more. I didn't see that. The motif, no? What else? Small postman, yeah. Lots of them, small postman. Small postman. Plenty of them. Swallow tabi. Oh, the blue shirt. You're outside, yan? You're outside? They are outside, no?
Maple leaf.
Look, puha. Uy. No?
Yellow na.
Yellow.
Wala,
Green.
Wow. Puha na maple leaf. Uy. It's a beautiful maple leaf. Wow. Guys, maple leaf. Very, you know, ito yung ni ate ay variegated. I don't know sa ito yung variegated, but it's a maple leaf. A light green maple leaf. So, over there daw is a maze. Yung ni ate ay maze dito.
Herb garden.
Herb garden. Tanawa. Maunin sa sulod sa herb gardens. Wow, million flowers. Million.
Our front garden by the washroom. That's what we got.
Yeah.
The white one.
Right, ate? Million flowers?
No.
Ano?
We call this back home million.
Million, yeah, back
We
home.
call it here hydrangea.
Hydrangea? Hydrangea.
Oh, sorry.
So, muna siyang herbs. Hydrangea. Wow, may mga beautiful flowers. The blue shrubs. Wow, it's beautiful. What's that? So, lain siya, no? So, nagtrabaho di ay.
No, keep going. This is the herb garden.
Ulaw mo ko. There they are. Oh. Duta yun eh.
Rutabaga. Is it rutabaga? No, okra. There's
Okra? Oh, yeah, okra. Yeah.
They have it? Well, that's how they do it. They put a net.
How do you call it? Alugbate pa rin?
No, it's
Water.
spinach.
Okay.
spinach?
Red Malabar.
Malabar.
Malabar
So they
spinach.
put a net so it
Okay.
climbs.
Now I know.
Huh.
We call it alugbate back home.
Oh, yeah?
Here is red Malabar.
So you have that back home.
Yeah. I think this one is called lavender. Yeah, it's English lavender. Mm. Blue sage. Okay. Blue sage. Permin ako na makita sa Red Dead Redemption. Sundrop. Red Malabar is alugbate, guys. Gitanom nila diri, guys. Oh. Alugbate, okra. Okra is okra. Oh, they also have the onions. Spring onions. Wow. Lindot's balay, guys. Oh. So, guys. Lindot kayong balay, guys. Parang nasa SEDI. There is a garden. Indot kay guys, oh. Murag na. It looks like in Europe. Balay din ba? Kukayo. So guys, naanami diri sa Rose Garden, still in Botanical Garden here in Niagara.
So, the 4 o'clock, you know what the letters said? Niagara Parks. So it goes Niagara and then Parks. K-R-K.
Be, ate.
0.5 oh.
Picture.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bug, yeah.
That's what we get at our house too. They're gonna start eating it. They eat the leaves, they eat everything. Look.
Naibag ti, oh.
That's the Japanese beetle.
Yes.
There you go, right here.
They said that just started.
Oh.
Because the roses looked beautiful a week ago.
Yeah, and then the
Look, another one
beetles
landed. See?
Yep. The Japanese
Ka na lang, no?
beetles, these are the ones that destroy the petals, the flowers.
That's why I saw this and I went to go to talk to them and said there's like a you can get industrial ones, but they're not allowed to use it here, right?
Oh,
The provincial park.
okay.
We can use it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful, purple.
Yeah, I like it.
You take a close-up of a nice one, eh?
Okay. I'll take a picture.
Indot kay guys.
Okay, okay.
Indot kay guys. Nagyo mga flowers ng mga roses. Different variety.
Yeah, yeah.
So, mo ni siya ang bug
Oh, you want to
na magdaot sa mga roses.
get that one?
Ate called it the Japanese bug.
Oh!
So, siya palibot.
Like for kids. He's ready. Okay. Pretend I'm not here. Pretend you're ready. Have some fun. Okay. Go ready? For it. Go. Yeah. Go. Okay. You're just skipping through the flowers.
It's so hot.
They're everywhere.
Asa naman kahil?
Ha?
Let's do it. Okay.
Oh, nagabidyo po ko. Guys, kita na kong cardinals na langgam, guys. Unta makuha na ako, tura. A red. Come on, cardinal. Makita ba? Oh no, ngit-ngit man. It's the red. Ah,
This is not a tree that you see everywhere. Oh, this is that.
kana
Huh?
na cardinal. Ah. Nga na siya bird's nest diri oh. Man-made na bird's nest.
So what's behind that fence?
Oh, there is.
I saw a cardinal flew away over there. It's gone.
Okay. So hard to get a picture of that thing.
Yeah.
No.
Hmm,
Oh, I saw a tent.
A what?
Somebody's tenting
Okay.
over there.
Oh, here it goes.
A squirrel. Mag-ilaga no.
Siya gilaga. He's eating something.
Sure. How's that?
Oh, that's good. Hello.
What's that,
This is a good shot of the squirrel.